Hi everyone, Scott Forrester, Managing Director of Pulse Climbing here. Extraordinary times that we're living through at the moment, and I thought it was important to reach out to you, our community and our members. And I understand it's a very tough time for everyone. You know, many people are feeling the severe impacts of the coronavirus. They're losing their jobs, they're worried about their health, they're worried about their loved ones, and we're worried about you as well. You guys make pulse climbing what it is, and so you know, on the 23rd of March, on Monday, we had to close our doors to customers, and that's had a big impact on you guys. You're not allowed to come in and climb. You need to stay home. You need to stay safe and stay away from other people so that we can stop this virus. And it also had a very big impact on all of Pulse Climbing's employees. So without any income, we're unable to continue to employ our casuals until we reopen. Although our highest priority through this is to make sure that we're here on the other side. So we've got a business so that our customers and our members can come back and climb in and connect with each other again, and also all of our amazing staff still have a job on the other side of it. And many of us are really concerned about how things are going to unfold over the next couple of months, and that's us included. So we're working as hard as we can to make sure that we can ride this out. All of our members, on Monday when we closed, your memberships were suspended, so you don't need to worry about any ongoing payments, and you don't need to get in touch with us. That's been done. And anyone with 10 visit passes, you'll have the time that we're closed added to the expiry dates of your passes, so no need to worry about losing anything there. Anyone who had a class that was impacted, you'll also get a credit once we reopen. And there's also been some amazing members that have reached out off their own back and got in touch and said, we want to support you guys and we want to make sure that you can ride this out. And they're fortunate enough to be able to keep their memberships active. And that is such a help to us. Knowing that there's people out there that really care about us as a business and our community, and they're willing to do what they can to help us out. And what we're going to do is anyone who can keep the membership active for any period of time, we're going to credit them the same amount once we reopen. So if you're in a position to do so, and I certainly understand that many of you have been impacted financially by this crisis, and so you know, I totally understand that many of you may not be able to. And if you can't, we love you all the same. And if you can, we'll be sharing on email and through our social media different options on how you might be able to support us. And another thing that we can do to support each other is we need to keep our connections up. We need to stay in touch with each other. And in the current environment, we've got to do that virtually. So let's continue to reach out and have video chats with each other. Share things on social media about what we're doing. You know, let's be positive and get positive messages out to each other. And that'll really help us ride this out. And our managers are going to start doing that as well. So Joey, Chris and Jason, they've been working hard to put different things in place to support us through this and to support you guys through this. And from today, we're going to be kicking off some live stream training sessions to help keep you guys in shape so that when we reopen, you can come back and you can be in tip-top shape to get back on the walls and to climb outside. So Chris will share some more details with you on that soon. And we're also going to be having a personalised home training package that anyone with an active membership can access. So there's some things that we want to do to make sure that we can keep those connections, and those things will really help us get through this. So I encourage you to keep your distance from each other. Let's stop this virus in its tracks, and let's get back to some sort of normality and back on the walls and connecting with each other through climbing as soon as we can. And you know, we'll do our best to make sure we're here on the other side. Okay, so take care and we'll see you all soon.